Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to clone a repo. So you may ask, especially if you're a newbie into the world of coding, why do you need to clone? So cloning basically means having a local copy of a remote repository on your own computer. So when you do this, you have all the commit history, the branches, and all the data that is associated with this repository on your own local machine. You'll also be able to work on the project directly from your computer. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when you wish to clone a repo is go to the repo, come to this part where you have the code. I am going to be using HTTPS. There are different methods of cloning. There's the SSH, which requires a key, and there's the GitHub CLI. But I'm going to use the HTTPS. If you're a beginner, I would suggest you use this because this is quite straightforward. So what I'll do next is copy. So after copying, I'll go to the part, the location where I want the repo to be on my computer. I have git bash installed already, so I'm just going to use the git bash terminal for this. So what I'll do is I'll do git clone. Do not forget I already have the URL copied. Then I'm just going to right click and paste. So click enter. This is going to have fetch all the data from the remote repo to your computer. So I'm just going to list so that I can be able to enter the folder, this particular folder on my computer. Okay, I have just this folder on my computer, so I'm just going to cd into it. So you could just do cd, then press the first letter of the first alphabet of the name, then you can use your tab if you're on Windows to help you do the completion of naming. So I'm going to cd into the project folder and we'll open on Vscode by typing code dots. So this is going to open on Vscode. So this is just a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript project. As you can see, all the code is now on my computer. All the code, everything is on my computer. But let's say this were to be like a React project. So what you would want to do is you go to your terminal and install all the packages that are associated with all the files there by doing npm install. Then after doing that, it will install all of the packages that are associated with the folder, and you can do npm start to view it on your browser. But since this is just HTML, CSS, I am just going to open with live server. By the way, I have a video where I showed how to do that with the React project. I'm going to attach that to this video so you can see. As you can see, this is a project. Let's see if it's working. So it's a weather app. So let's search for India and see if it's working. Yeah, I can see it's working very well. It's able to generate all of this data according to the API that was given to it. So guys, we've been able to clone this repo from a remote repository, and we have it working on our system. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. See you next time. Bye.